Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on rotate to landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option? Of course, in the settings. So, settings, then we are looking for home screen menu, and at the bottom we have rotate to landscape mode. When we turn it on, you don't have to save, everything is now saved. We just need to back out, and that's basically it. To turn it off, we just simply do it in the reverse order, just ticking a box, and that's it. Very easy to do, a little bit hidden. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.